everyone, welcome to cbse Maths. Today in this video, we're going to solve a problem which is related to polynomials. The question is like this. The zeros of a polynomial are in the ratio 2:3. If the polynomial is of the form p of x is equal cx square minus 20x plus 48, then we are asked to find out the value of c and also of those zeros. So here we have this polynomial cx square minus 20x plus 48. Let's write the values of a, b and c to find out the value of that c and also of that zeros. So here the standard form of the quadratic equation or quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So based on that, we will write the value of a as c, value of b is minus 20 and the value of c is 48. Now the zeros ratio is given as 2:3. So we will consider the zeros as 2y and 3y. Let's consider them as 2y and 3y. We know that sum of the zeros is always equal to minus b by a. So zeros are 2y and 3y. So let's write 2y plus 3y is equals to minus of minus 20 divided by value of a is c. So 2y plus 3y, which means 5y is equals to 20 by c. Then y is equals to 20 by 5c. 5 ones are 5 fours are, which means the value of y is 4 by c. So we will keep this value of y aside. Now let's take product of zeros. We know that product of zeros is equals to c by a. So let's write that product of zeros is equals to c by a. So zeros are 2y and 3y. So let's write that 2y into 3y is equals to c value is 48 divided by a value is c. So 2y into 3y gives us 6. Y square is equals to 48 by c. We can cancel this. 6 ones are 6 8s are. So we will going to get y square is equals to 8 by c. Now we will replace this y by this 4 by c and we will try to find out the value of that c. So let's do that. Then we will write in the place of y as 4 by c whole square is equals to 8 by c. Now we will write this as 16 by c square is equals to 8 by c. Let's do cross multiplication. By doing cross multiplication, we can write 8c square is equals to 16c. Further, we will write this 8c square as 8c into c is equals to 16c. Then c is equals to 16c by 8c. C get cancelled. 8 ones are 8 twos are. Therefore, we will write the value of c as 2. Now we got the value of c. We will substitute that in this equation. Then that equation becomes, that equation is cx square minus 20x plus 48. If we replace the value of c as 2 there, then we get the equation as 2x square minus 20x plus 48. Now we need to find out the two zeros of this given polynomial. So let's do that. For this, we will equate this to 0 and let's divide this entire equation by 2. Then we get here x square minus 10x plus 24. Now we get the equation as x square minus 10x plus 24 is equals to 0. So we will split this minus 10x as minus 6x minus 4x plus 24 is equals to 0. Now in the first two terms we will factor out x, then we have x minus 6 in the bracket. Then here in these two terms we will factor out minus 4. Then here also we will going to get x minus 6 in the bracket. Then we will write x minus 6 equals 0 or x minus 4 equals 0. At last we will write x equals 6 or x equals 4. Therefore, we can write the two zeros are 4 and 6 and the value of c is 2. That is the solution. I hope you all got this solution. Thank you for watching the video.